It's the third week of January, and this is Design and Construction Week in Las Vegas. There are 4 separate shows in 2 locations. We are at the Las Vegas Convention Center for the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show, the International Builder Show, and the Window Coverings Expo. More than 100,000 people are expected to attend all these shows. This is the Outdoor Great Room Company, and I'm going to have to run around here. I was stopped by this. I thought it was maybe a piece of artwork, but it's actually something called the Wave, $5,500 retail, that puts out quite a bit of heat. So if you want a unique way to heat your patio, this is the Wave, and it says here on the sign, patent pending. Because I have heard that it is very hot for pets, and that's why our family never did install artificial grass. Do you have an answer for that?
Yes, Diane, that's a very good question, and really the American-made material has come a long way. There's no latex in this product, there's no sub-quality polypropylene or polyethylene, and the infill is no longer crumb rubber. It is now playground sand, so you're not getting that black particulate and the heat that's associated with it.
Plain infill.
Infill is the material they put in artificial turf to keep the blades standing up and to prevent wear patterns. And in a sports application, they use recycled crumb rubber. In a landscaping application, we just use sand. So completely night and day difference there.
So you wouldn't vacuum your backyard because the sand would come up, right?
No, it's a very small amount. It embeds itself at the base, and even if you vacuum it, it still would stay at the base.
I'm seeing some spectacular doors here, and the sign behind them says Kohler Shield Thermal Break Insulated Wrought Iron Doors. And frankly, they look burglar-proof too, but you would need one heck of a big house to install them. I will find out how much such doors would cost retail. The door price would start at $7,000. What kind of a dog is this?
He's a Pomeranian.
Pomeranian. It looked like a stuffed animal. George was here at Bathtubs for Pets. Is this the name of the company? Or?
Yes.
Okay. By Forever Stainless Steel. And pet grooming companies could buy this setup here for, like, how much did you say about for the retail for a pet industry would be around
$5,500.
$5,500, and this would be perhaps the bathtub for home use. Now, George told me that if you bathe a big German Shepherd in your own bathtub, more hair will go down the drain than in a lifetime of an individual using that same bathtub.
So, it's like keeping healthy the arteries of a building.
Okay, and he said that in new buildings, if there is an offer of a gym versus a place to bathe your pets, bathing the pets wins, right? Number one. So I'll be darned. And so for this individual, smaller bathing area, about $2,500 retail. This is the Kohler exhibit, and as usual, they have a great big exhibit. And my goodness, the color of the year, one of the colors of the year is a very light blue. I think that's a little too dark, but if you have a yen for a blue sink, I guess Kohler makes it. And here's another one of their designs. Quite lovely. And here's something else. And more, a very narrow sink, or not very deep. And then we get a little deeper. All kinds of stuff that Kohler has.
Add on any accessory you want. So all
and they have one of these almost disappearing toilets with
No,
the...
it's okay. It's okay. We've had a lot of issues. I know.
I think you get two kinds of flushing here, your choice of what kind of flush you want. This is a beautiful toilet. Lovely. And here's another sink. Oh my goodness, all the choices.
Actually, I've named all of my cards. See, I've named every one of them here. Each one of them has a specific name on my cards. This is interesting. Like this one says industry, and they have a specific meaning to me, right? They all have a meaning to me. We're the king of the industry. Results, our results are second to none. Advertisers, our advertisers rate us a 10. See, so the whole deck has a special meaning for me. Don't tell me about using Arktech, okay? So this is reliable, we have deals. Oh, competition, this is a good one.
Angie's
Competition.
List. This is the Arktech booth, and they are selling steel railings. And I suggested to the gentleman here that they go over to the Galaxy Luxury Theaters, where they have plenty of handicapped seating, but no rails for folks going in and out of the theater. And they need rails. Arktech will be glad to sell them some. Sign says that HPC, Hearth Products Controls, makes visually spectacular items, and this is one. A fire pit, waterfall, all in one. Fire and water, the gentleman Dave here said, would be the central part, not the bench around, but the central part. Fire and water would cost somewhere $11,000 or $12,000 depending on the size of the bowl. And it really would be a showstopper. Want to make an entrance to your bedroom? This stairway is by Moretti. Living stairs, and then they have some over here with no rails, so I don't know. I even had a dog once who would not go up stairs where you could see through the steps. So it's for very special people. Moretti stairs. Blaze is a new TV network, and I know a radio network, and Blaze is also, I guess, a manufacturer of outdoor kitchens. And their display is quite spectacular. Everything stainless steel, everything looks pristine. I can't say our own outdoor grill looks this beautiful. It has been used, but this is quite a display. If you've ever seen beautiful pathways that seem to be part concrete and part plants, here they are. And here's an example.
Yeah.
The grass grows in between the part that you walk on. Quite lovely. And yes, if you install this kind of a system in your driveway, you will mow your driveway. This is your inspiration, our creation, Randolph Rose collection, all kinds of bronze sculpture for your garden, or I guess indoors if you like this kind of thing. Kids, American flags, lions, little girls, dogs, all kinds of things. What you do is actually peel and stick, and you can have an attractive wall with lots of texture, and I guess unstick it when you move. I'll have to find out about that detail. And there's one wall of stick wood, and here's another with, in fact, the TV hanging on the wall. I thought it was concrete. This is porcelain. This is a shower, and this is a porcelain bathtub. I heard a lady who works in this exhibit saying this has attracted more attention. This bathtub, I think it would fit a couple of people. I thought it was concrete, but it isn't. Quite modern. And it's by DSI. They distribute the material. Not only does Color Quartz give away pieces of chocolate to visitors, they have a beautiful display And I've noticed on Home and Garden TV more and more kitchens are being equipped with quartz countertop. The lady here explained to me that quartz is easily maintained and quite a bit less expensive than marble. And this is a piece of quartz over here that has the look, well, I don't know whether you can see it, has the look of marble. Maybe I can go on the other side. But is not nearly as costly. We're in the American Standard exhibit, and this is a modern bathtub. I believe it is made of man-made materials. It's quite lovely. Not everybody is fascinated by all these bathtubs.
She's smarter than that.
She's smarter than that. She looks like she's really about to close her eyes. And comfortable. We're in the Grohe exhibit, Grohe. They are known for a lot of bathroom accessories. This is called a Eurocube Joy, true square designed with joystick control. So here you turn on the water with a joystick. Over here they have a toilet that I just saw the lid close automatically. And that too might be a joy. This is an international show, Salgar, I hope, bathroom furniture made in Spain. It looks like a composite sink here of some kind. Very nice. The folks with the long noses are here. Maybe they're all Republicans who have been lying during the campaign, don't know. This is MEV Rubinettery, and they seem to make faucets. And maybe these are a certain kind of faucet, I'm not sure. Oh, Pinocchio. Oh my goodness, there's the sign right there and I missed it. It is a Pinocchio faucet. This is Luvo light, window and blind systems and fabrics, motorized shades. And this is quite a lovely one. I hope you can see it. It's gold and has leaves in gold printed on it. Quite lovely. This is the coulisses exhibit, and I believe these are blinds, not wallpaper. Quite pretty. Larson Jewel Millwork, a Berkshire Hathaway company, American hardwoods and forest-friendly manufacturing. So if you like wood shutters, see these folks, Larson Jewel Millwork. This is a macro, M-A-C-R-A-L design, double sinks. And look at them, they're not very deep. I guess the next generation won't be splashing around very much, but I do. Well, something practical for the kitchen and the bathroom. Waste baskets. This one seems to be saying hello all by itself. This is a luxurious charcoal grill, and it uses 100% natural premium hardwood lump charcoal, among other things, and it is a ceramic grill. Clever display. This is www.butcherblock.com, and all the United States are here. And this is a Lazy Susan for pots and pans by Glideware. Fun to watch when all the pots and pans are so beautifully polished. This is Strom Plumbing, their clawfoot tub with all the shiny nozzles for showering and washing, etc. The iSense faucet is for a changing world, and the sign says easy, simple, no handle. You just kind of wave your hand and somehow adjust the water temperature and flow. 3 user-defined settings, no scalding temperature. Solid brass for durability and beauty. And this is all the stuff that's underneath the sink. I don't know. I think I can handle the handle. Changing times. No longer are we giving away iPads, we're giving away Apple Watches. This is kind of an unusual setup for a sink and cabinet. The countertop is hammered copper. The cabinet cost is $1,050. The top is $788. Native trails and a black bathtub. Well, I can't say I've dreamed of a black bathtub, but here it is. I don't know whether the ring around the bathtub would be white or what, but Native Trails has a black bathtub. Something new, ditch the dustpan and install that sucker on the floor and just sweep your stuff over and it gets sucked in. Kick the switch, debris sucked away, cleaner floors, control pet hair, no bending, no loss of space, greater hygiene, maintenance free, not a central vac. Something different, and I guess this is the device itself. New kitchen vacuum removes the dirt in seconds. Sweep-O-Vac, it's called.
The showroom must be easy to navigate, uncluttered, and have easy-to-read signage. Your product needs to be accessible for your potential clients. Showrooms must have high-quality displays. You are showcasing your product, and you must keep it up to date.
This is Boo's Block, their exhibit of beautiful woods that could be used, I guess, as kitchen blocks or tables. Nice, nice, nice. A lot of folks are feeling the effects of having walked a huge show floor. Me too. So I'm about to leave and pick up my ride. Enjoyed being at the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show, the International Builders Show. The weather is great, and I had a good time.